Welcome. This video is intended for teachers and tutors who are unfamiliar with the whiteboard features. I will cover the following highlights during this presentation. While I will demonstrate the numerous exciting features and what some people say are the wow factors of the whiteboard, I will add some teaching, tutoring tips and strategies on how to utilize these tools for various situations and subjects. A part of your effectiveness as an online tutor will be determined by how well you master these various tools, and of course, how smoothly and seamlessly you integrate the whiteboard features to an individual student's needs and how well you incorporate them into your lesson. You can click on Try Our Whiteboard. Now, as it is loading, you should remember that when a student requests and purchases your services for either a scheduled tutorial or an instant tutoring session, the student will activate his or her and your whiteboard at the time of the session. You need only wait for the whiteboard session to begin. When your whiteboard appears, the student's name will appear in green in the upper right of the screen under Participants. You'll notice that the time of the session is recorded just above that, and to the right is an End of Session button, which, when clicked, will determine the pricing for that particular tutorial. If we move our cursor mouse over onto the whiteboard, we notice that we have a pen, or it looks like a magic marker. If you hold down the magic marker, you can create a number, a letter, you can draw. If you put the cursor over the black, it looks like a blackboard line color palette, you can choose another color and write whatever you like. To the right of that feature is another feature, which is a thickness bar, and this can create that. To the left is a floating toolbar. This can be moved. Just drag, click and drag. You can click on the black arrow, and this feature moves text or objects around the screen. I'll click on the 3 and move it over here to the right upper corner and just leave it go. I don't like that particular 3, finish with it. I can click on the trash can used for discarding, click on that 3 and it disappears. If I want to put some text on the screen, I click on the Enter Some Text button and click on wherever I would like that to appear. Let's put and when I've created something on that particular box, I just click on the whiteboard and it appears there. Using the arrow, we can click on that addition problem and move it over to anywhere we like. Again, I can click on the pen and return to the pen feature. I can click on the geometric shapes and they appear from below. If I click on one, you'll notice the mouse icon has the figure with it. Click down, hold down, and release, and you've created a geometric shape. Also for math instructors, there are 2 other different boxes, grid lines that you can use at the bottom that will change to a coordinate geometry exercise. Leave the screen with a blank background, click on the white again. If you want to add pages, go over to the right, and the green button will allow you to add as many pages as you would like. And the buttons obviously let you return to what you were working on before. And remember, all these pages will be recorded, as will your voice and the lesson, so that students, parents, and yourself can go back and review a session. A nice feature on the bottom right-hand corner of the whiteboard is the document library. Clicking on this uploading files allows you to access anything that's within inside your computer that can be downloaded. I have created a file called Whiteboard Files, which I can use at my leisure when I'm working with a student. But I might want to put these on my screen for this session prior to a session. It downloads, as you can see. All I have to do is click and drag it to the screen, and it will populate very shortly. And I can then work with that document. I can scroll up. Let's see, I'll change my color a little bit, and I could actually just write on this if I want, or maybe circle the right answer, whatever you'd like to do. And of course, if you would like to eliminate that, you just hit the X button, and that will clean your screen and return you to where you were before. If you are wanting to either give an option for dialogue or give more information to a student, you can use the text chat feature. You can include anything down in the box below, and it will appear here. You can actually widen that to your specification. There are a number of other features that certainly you can choose to explore, and some duplicate buttons, but most of them are self-explanatory. I'm not going to explain them in this tutorial. Finally, practice and planning will make your sessions with students more dynamic, so getting used to the whiteboard is essential. If you want to get a real feel for its interactive functionality, contact us to schedule our free mock session. We're going to conclude our overview of the whiteboard now, so we will click the End Session button. Are you sure to want to end this session? Yes. And you've successfully completed this session. Hope you found this useful. Look forward to helping you in the future. Bye.